if you want to identify a device on your Unifi network, well, you can come in this section, Client. This section will show you all of your active client. So all of those who are connected over LAN and all of those who are connected wirelessly over an AP. That will show you where it is connected. Is it connected in the bureau or in the salon or on the router directly? Or in that case, it could be on a switch connected to the router. If it's a device that is actually not connected, you will find it into Insight. And from here, you can select all of the devices that have been connected in the last 24 hours, 3 days, 7 days, 2 weeks, 30 days, 120 days, or just all of the customers that have been connected to your network. So that being said, well, as you can see, I identify all of my devices. As soon as there is a new one, I identify it. So it's much more easier when there's a new one, like one of those two. So I want to identify a new device, and I know that this device is actually connected, so I will go in Client. And well, I know I'm in the bureau, so well, it's probably that one. But just to make sure, I can look its IP address, so I can go in the phone and verify if the IP address where it is connected is this one. Or I can also just, if I don't know how to go verify if it's the right IP address, I could go create an activity. So I start a video on YouTube, and in the next second, I should see activity coming up on the screen. Just like that. So I've just started a video on YouTube. There's activity coming up just right there. So I'm pretty sure it's that device. So I can just click on it and go in the configuration tab and give it a name. So that's the Android Sony. I hit save, and now as you can see, it's named Android Sony. So if I go then in statistic and go see what's the activity on YouTube, well, I can see my Android Sony just right there with 55 megabyte of usage. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you, or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there, it's from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!